All right, YouTube, going to do a quick video here. We got a Volkswagen Jetta lock. It's from a 2015's a push start. And this one actually did have the key sitting on the front seat, so I snagged that too while I was at the junkyard. And we're going to go through picking this. Now, the HU66 twin lift for Lishi. You do have to use kind of heavy tension on these because the lock has a pretty heavy spring. And when you set wafers, you start getting a little bit of rotation with the lock. And as you get that rotation, you need to increase your tension kind of just to match it. I'm going to zoom in here. And so now I just want to see where our wafers actually are. Okay, so nothing on 1 and 2 going up, so that means 1 and 2 are going to go down, and 5 and 6 will go down, and then 3 and 4 and 7 and 8 will go up. And I'm going to apply tension, and I'm going to just look for binders. So nothing on 3. Tiny click on 2. Click on 5. Got a little rotation, so increase my tension and match it. And 6 is springy. Tiny click on 8. A little bit of tiny click on 7, not much. Okay, I think 4 feels like it's binding. Click on 4. Okay, got some more rotations. I increase my tension. Tiny click on 2 there. Okay, 6 is now binding. Nice click on 6. Seven's binding. Nice click on 7. Got a little bit of rotation. Okay, nice click on 8. All right, 3 is binding. Click on 3. 1, see 2. Okay, 2 is definitely binding again here. If you're not sure on one, just skip it because you can always go back to it. Okay, 7's binding again. Got to click on 7. Okay, 4 feels kind of strange there, but I think it is set. Another click on 3. See, 1 has a tiny bounce to it. So there's 2, 5. See, 6 is absolutely binding. Let's click on 6 again here. 8, 7, 4. Okay, 3. Got another click on 3. Yeah, 1 might be binding just like a little bit. And let me check everything else first and come back to it. And if nothing else is binding, we'll go pick 1 again. Or for the first time, we haven't actually picked it yet. See, I don't know, I think 2 is actually binding. Yeah, 1 might be 2. I'm going to just try 1 here. So I know I did set 2. Tiny click on 1, got a little rotation. Okay, 6 is binding again. Click on 6, and now we are open. So now that it's actually picked here, we can go ahead and decode it. And we're going to have a 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, and 1. And we'll run the code here, and that gives us a valid code of 3213. And look at the key here, it's going to match that as well. So there's the HU66 twin lifter Lishi, picking and decoding a Jetta lock. If you have any questions or comments, like always, please put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.